My nipples aren't showing, right? Woo! Hi, welcome to Cocktails with Coco. This is VLOGMAS, and today we have another very special drink. This one is called the IsIs. So all these tequila shot mommies keep asking me to make cocktails after them, and I'm like, but you drink tequila straight. So I'm classy. I have a margarita, and I'm actually not the wildest one in the bunch because IsIs has a shot. Cheers. Cheers. So, got a little creative with this one. So we're just gonna kind of like spitball it, okay? So let's start. We're gonna do some, what are these called? Strawberries. Then you're gonna take some agave. And then we're gonna muddle. Too short for this. Get it all nice and mushy. Okay. So then now we're going to take some ice cubes. And we're gonna do some Casa Amigos. Little minis. So I bought little minis because I do not like clear tequila. I don't really like clear alcohol. So we're just gonna, I was like, I'm just gonna buy a little mini instead of buying a big bottle. Now we're gonna shake. Okay. You can open it. Woo! Okay, so my birthday party was on Saturday. I'm still a little hungover and it's Wednesday. Just so you guys know. Now, what makes this drink unique is when we were in Santa Barbara, me and my cousin, we went wine tasting and then we went to this Shrub place. So Shrubs are pretty much like fancy vinegars. You can use them in cocktails, you can use them to cook, whatever. So this one is peach jalapeno. Oh, and I love them so much, and I was also a little drunk, that I became a member. And a little goes a long way. So we're just gonna do just a little bit of this one because the jalapeno is, that motherfucker's like, hello. Do that. We're gonna add some more ice because you want this to be really cold. I think anything that is spicy needs to be like crazy cold. Poppy, where did you get this ice from? It's like the thickest ice chunks, and I'm here for it. Now let's just box this because I just want to make sure it's. And now we're gonna add some tonic water on top. You can do soda water if you want, but you know I really don't fuck with soda water. I'm a tonic honey. Like I said, I just, off the cuff, you guys are doing this with me, so hopefully it tastes good. I don't know. But I mean, it's Casa Amigos. How can it go wrong? This is so pretty. Okay. Ooh, this is tasty. Now, this is definitely not for someone who doesn't like jalapeno because the jalapeno is like, you know what I mean? This is actually pretty good. Not bad for making this up. That was weird. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share with the homies, and we'll be back with more Cocktails with Coco. Cheers. One spicy.